Hey, I just got back from the AXE conference in San Antonio, Texas. What a great event. Appraisers from all over the place were there. A lot of training, Appraiser of the Year Award from the NAA. Congratulations, Cathy Harper, on that. I taught the Appraiser's Guide to the URAR, and I'm going to have an upcoming podcast really soon talking about how that experience went, some of the questions that we received from the students. We had about 100 folks in class, pretty excited and wanting to learn what's around the corner. And I just want to take a moment right now to talk to you about what's right around the corner. It's coming, you've heard that, but I want to show you very quickly a timed outline, okay? Because I know you've heard this is coming, maybe you've seen this, maybe you haven't, but guys, we're getting into crunch time now, and I just want to make sure that this is on your radar, okay? So right now in this outline, we're in this area right here, right? We're in 2025, and I want to show you that coming in just a few months, in September of 2025, there's going to be limited production. That means you're going to have lenders and clients wanting you to deliver in the new protocol. Those of you that are ready will be able to do that. Those of you that aren't ready, obviously, aren't going to be able to handle that. And think about it, if it's 10% of your workflow that now they're asking for this new delivery mechanism and you can't do it, that might be 10% gone. For those of you that are geared up and ready, it may be a little increased volume for all those folks that can't accommodate those lenders and clients with this limited production. And then as we move over to the broad production, you can see January 26, 2026. I really believe that when these lenders and clients start running the dual platforms, you know, I can get an appraisal and deliver it the old-timey way, or I can use the new UAD protocol, the new URAR. How many are going to keep two platforms going? The market, guys, the market normally mandates what happens in just about everything, if you think about it. And appraisers are not going to be any different. Users of appraisal services will dictate this implementation. I don't care what this timed outline says. They're going to be dictating when they want most of that to come to you. So it's going to start in limited production in September. It's going to be broad production in January. And then you can see here the mandate is November of 2026, meaning they won't accept the old way of doing it, right? So those of you sitting there thinking, well, I've got till November of 2026. That's a long way away. No, you probably don't. Very few will probably be still running the old legacy forms back toward the end of 2026. Probably January of 2026. That's the writing on the wall. That's when it's really going to hit. But look, in just a few months, it's going to start hitting on a pretty rapid fire basis. That's my opinion. I do want to highlight one other thing right here. The policy changes take place June 4, 2025, and I'm hoping to put something together on that, maybe a CE class on the policy updates. So if you are interested in getting this URAR information out of the way, you can get 7-hour CE credit as well. Jump over to our website, appraisereLearning.com. Check out the courses we have available. I'm offering some live classes, so if you hit the live tab and go down to In-Person with Bryan Reynolds, you'll see some upcoming classes scheduled for Kentucky. We've got Bowling Green, Louisville, Florence on the calendar. We're going to be adding some Tennessee locations, and who knows, maybe we'll add some locations around the state, around the country. If you're interested in that, reach out to a member of my team and let them know you would like for us to come to a city near you. We'll also be offering that at Val Expo without a doubt. And then if you are more interested in the Zoom classes, you can hit the live Zoom CE tab on our website. That will list out all of our classes. You can see our classes in April and May coming up. The first one that we've got on the calendar for the new URAR is June the 3rd and 4th. And guys, whether you're going to take a live class or whether you're going to schedule it for virtual, or whether you're going to come to Val Expo, and we'd love for you to come to Val Expo, I do recommend you try and get that on your calendar and go ahead and register for that, because these classes are going to be filling up. One final note I wanted to say is we created the Kentucky Association of Appraisers. We're pretty excited about that. That's the website. KAA is what we call it, the Kentucky Association of Appraisers. And we're pretty excited that on each one of those classes that AEL and I will be offering live in person, that night, the first night, we will be offering a little get together for the KAA. KAA will be offering it, and we'll be there. So we're calling it Comps and Cocktails, and you can find more information about that on the Kentucky Association of Appraisers website. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're getting ready and prepping, and stay tuned real soon for a podcast talking about more in-depth of the URAR, and then we have a future podcast with Lyle coming up as well to talk more in detail on that. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe, and I'll talk to you very, very soon.